Hi kids, welcome to IQ Test Hub. Today, we're going to have fun learning with reading comprehension for kids. Listen carefully, read along, and answer the easy questions at the end. Let's see how smart you are. The goat. A goat is a gentle farm animal. It has 2 horns and a short tail. Goats eat grass, leaves, and vegetables. They love to climb and jump. Many people keep goats at home for milk and meat. Baby goats are called kids. Goats make a ma sound. They are active and playful animals. Now, quiz time. What does a goat eat? A. Meat and bones. B. Grass, leaves, and vegetables. Answer is B. Grass, leaves, and vegetables. What are baby goats called? A. Kids. B. Goats. Answer is A. Kids. What sound does a goat make? A. Ba ba. B. Ma ma. Answer is B. Ma ma. Why do people keep goats? A. For milk and meat. B. For cultivation. Answer is A. For milk and meat. Are goats playful? A. No, they are not playful. B. Yes, they are playful. Answer is B. Yes, they are playful. Great job, kids. You did amazing today. If you enjoy this reading comprehension, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IQ Test Hub for more fun learning videos. See you in the next story, inshallah. Keep reading, keep learning, and keep smiling. Thanks for watching.